What's up, y'all? Okay, we're gonna do this. What's up, y'all? First of all, I should tell you guys, I don't even know what I'm titling this video, but I'm sure you can probably tell this isn't going to be the easiest video for me to shoot, to put out, to even articulate what I am going to say in this video. I just randomly took a quick moment amongst the crazy and the chaotic to kind of just pop in and get on camera with you guys and kind of just share what's been going on as of late, and explain a little bit of the absence recently, and even just the sporadicness over the last few months for you guys to fully understand what's been going on and why vlogs haven't been as consistent. But also, I know many of you guys have probably seen some recent posts from others in my family that have talked about this too, and I thought I'm just better on video. It's easier for me to articulate things and express myself to you guys on video than it is for me to write out everything that I'm feeling. Plus there's so much in my head that it would be a freaking novel, right? And y'all know I'm already long-winded as hell, so I figured I might as well turn the camera on, and when I have a moment, while I have a moment, just kind of tell you what's kind of been going on, and the recent events that have taken place to kind of lead up to where we are now. I'm gonna try to be as strong in this video as I possibly can, and there's reasons for that, but I'll share that with you as I kind of go along. So, but it's something that I feel like, because you guys have been such a part of my family for so long, that I feel like it's important for me to share this with you guys, because you guys have been family for so incredibly long, and I know that for many of you guys, this might affect you a little bit too.